Here I just have 3 identical fragments. Looking for the motion tile. Configure it as mine. Looking for the twitch. Click on page up on the keyboard. Set the keyframe. Amount set to 0. Click on page down. Set amount to 50. Move 5 frames forward. Amount set to 0. Set speed to 100. Turn on color, light, slide. Click on operator settings, then on slide. Right on slide RGB split value 20. Looking for the BCC lens blur. Set the keyframe. Moving forward 15 frames. Set iris scale to 0. You have to repeat the shape of the graph like mine. Set the keyframe. Set scale to 150%. Moving forward 30 frames. Set scale to 100%. Moving forward 5 to 6 frames. Set scale to 70%. Copy twitch and paste it into the second fragment. Set the keyframe. Set scale to 60%. The second keyframe is set to the same place as in the first fragment. Set scale to 80%. Set scale to 50%. Select all keyframes and click on F9. Repeat after me. Again copy the twitch and insert it in the third fragment. Set the keyframe. Set scale to 40%. Set scale to 60%. Set scale to 40%. on motion blur.